She called them her children. She said they gave her unqualified love. On July 17, 2006, her 9 wolf-dog hybrids killed her and ate her. Wolves and dogs share 99.96% of the same DNA, but that 0.04% difference? It is the difference between a pet and a predator. Over 100,000 wolf-dog hybrids live in homes across North America right now. 40 U.S. states have made them illegal. And the one I will show you last was created in a classified military lab that most governments pretend does not exist. Number 8. In the 1930s, a Dutch breeder named Leendert Saarloos believed German shepherds had become too domesticated, too soft, so he crossed one with a European gray wolf. The result? A dog so shy and so fearful that police departments refused to use it. But here is what makes it dangerous. When a Saarloos feels cornered, it does not bark. It does not warn you. It goes straight to a kill bite. The Netherlands still classifies it as a restricted breed. The Saarloos was too shy for police work. But what if a military engineered the opposite? A wolf dog that does not hesitate? China did exactly that. The Kunming Wolf-Dog was developed in the 1950s for the Chinese military. It is faster than a German shepherd, more alert than a Malinois, and trained to detect explosives, drugs, and human remains. The Chinese government does not export them. You cannot buy one. And if you tried to smuggle one out, that is a federal crime in China. China kept its wolf dog classified. But in North America, backyard breeders created something far less controlled, the Wolamute, half Alaskan Malamute, half timber wolf. These hybrids can weigh over 140 pounds. They have the stamina to run 60 miles in a single day. And because they look like oversized huskies, people buy them thinking they are getting a family pet. They are not. The Humane Society calls them the #1 surrendered exotic animal in the United States. The Wolamute at least has some domesticated Malamute in it. The Kugsha? Almost none. Also called the American Husky, the Kugsha was bred in Pennsylvania from lines so close to pure wolf that no kennel club on earth will recognize it. They bond to exactly one person. Everyone else is a threat. In 2003, a wolf Kugsha mix in Idaho killed a 13-month-old baby. Over 100 bite wounds. No charges were ever filed. If this is already changing what you thought you knew about wolf dogs, subscribe. Because what comes next gets classified. In 1966, the Italian government created its own wolf dog, the Lupo Italiano. Italian wolf crossed with a German shepherd. It was designed for alpine rescue missions. But in 2017, Italian police launched Operation Ave Lupo and seized 229 illegal wolf dog hybrids from underground breeding rings across the country. The breeders were selling them as exotic pets for thousands of euros. The dogs were confiscated. The rings were shut down. But the buyers, most were never found. Italy lost control of its wolf dog program. But the country that started it all, they lost something far worse. In 1955, at the height of the Cold War, Czechoslovakian military scientist Karel Hartl crossed a German shepherd with a Carpathian gray wolf. The goal: to create the ultimate border patrol weapon, a dog with wolf stamina, wolf night vision, and wolf endurance. But with the obedience of a soldier, it worked. These dogs guarded the Iron Curtain for decades. But when the Cold War ended, hundreds entered civilian hands. 14 people were killed by this breed between 1979 and 1998. Today, it remains one of only 2 wolf dog breeds recognized by any international kennel club. The Czechoslovakian Wolfdog was at least a controlled experiment. Number 2 is anything but controlled. Across America, backyard breeders are crossing wolves with dogs at random. No paperwork, no genetic testing, no idea what percentage of wolf is in the animal. These are called high-content hybrids, and they are responsible for more fatal attacks than any recognized wolf dog breed combined. Remember Sandra Piovesan? She kept 9 of them in Pennsylvania, fed them roadkill. Told her friends they gave her unqualified love. Humane officers warned her repeatedly. She did not listen. Her daughter found her body inside the pen, partially eaten. And here is the terrifying part. The standard rabies vaccine is not approved for wolf dog hybrids. If one bites you, it gets euthanized and tested. No exceptions. And number 1, the wolf dog hybrid that most governments pretend does not exist, the volkosob. In the year 2000, at the Perm Military Institute in Russia, scientists crossed a German shepherd with a Caspian Sea steppe wolf named Nida. What they created outperforms every military dog on the planet. A volkosob can detect a hidden person in 15 to 20 seconds. A German Shepherd takes 4 minutes. Its sense of smell is 6 times sharper than any domestic dog. Its bite can cut through military-grade protective equipment. The Russian government does not sell them. It only leases them, under classified contracts, to domestic security agencies. You will never own one. You will never see one outside of a Russian military base. And that is probably for the best. Wolves were never meant to be pets. And when you mix their DNA with a dog, what you get is not the best of both worlds. It is the worst of both. Would you ever own a wolf-dog hybrid? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want to see which dog breeds are so dangerous, they kill more people than sharks every year. Watch this next.